Alrighty, y'all, I'm about to make a video of how to put together a 50 amp plug for your welder. You're going to need your 50 amp plug, your plug-in. That's going to cost you about 13 to 14 bucks. Just round up 16. 50 amp breaker. Okay, this one I got for I want to say 14 bucks. And I guess it was on sale or whatnot, but they're anywhere from, I guess, that to I've seen them for like 40 or 50 bucks. So you might need some snips. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver possibly, and then a cutting blade. And then I got some 6-3 wire right here. And I only need, I'm guessing that's probably about 5 or 6 feet. And we're going to go ahead and prep up the end. So I'm going to snip this out enough to fit in there. And then, so that's all. I'm going to take this apart, snip this out, fit it in there. And then this end is going to go into the breaker. And I'm only going to use this 6-3 wire. Okay. It's got 3 different wires and the ground. Or I think 4 could be. Yeah, so, and basically all you need is 2 hots and a ground. Okay. So that's really all there is to it. One's going to be your neutral wire, which will be your ground, and then 2 hots. So I'll use the red and the black and the neutral, and then we don't need this wire right here. So I'm going to put it all together, and then, because the video is going to be pretty long, and then I'll plug it in and I'll let y'all know how it goes. Okay, so I got 2 hots, and I got my neutral / ground in there. So I use that little skinny wire, and then 2 hots. So I'm using the red and the black, so I make sure red and black goes into the breaker, and then neutral goes into the panel for the ground. And then fire that bitch up and we'll go. So I'm gonna put this together, and then we'll get it wired up into the breaker. So she's plugged in, wired up, comes back down around here, wired up into this breaker. So yeah, this breaker looks like dog shit, but it's wired in. So there's my other 50 amp. And I'm gonna power up, and then we'll get to welding. That'll be on the next video. Y'all have a kick-ass day.